And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Tuesday, December the 12th, 2017. It's about 5:40 p.m. And indeed you are looking at the first official major snowstorm of the 2017-2018 winter. I'm here on St. Catherine Street right now, walking eastbound. Give you an idea how deep the snow is here. And that's of course a snowbank, and you can see here just how chaotic the scene is. Now they're calling for 20 centimeters to fall, at least 20 centimeters. And I don't know how much has fallen so far, but I'll tell you one thing, this is what I was waiting for. And I'm glad it came now, because unless there's some kind of a phase or a warm front that moves in and the temperatures are at or near 0 degrees, then this snow is going to be staying here, thankfully, and we're going to have a white Christmas. And you can just see here all the chaos on the streets. Let's go over here. And of course, I got a video this morning of the snowstorm on the way to work when it was somewhat just beginning. And here you can see, after almost a whole day of snow falling, what it looks like. And you can see that snow falling. And there's some Christmas decorations, because you know that Christmas decorations and snowstorms go hand in hand, just like Montreal and snowstorms. And look at that, articulated buses lugging up Guy Street, going up towards Golden Age. And some of those are having a hard time today, I'm sure. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Guy and across the street here. Let this bus pass. Speaking of bus passing, I forgot my bus pass at work at home this morning. Unfortunately, I had to use a bus ticket. Kind of because of the storm, ran out without verifying my belongings, but hey, I made it to work. Had to buy one of these. 2 tickets for $6. So we're going to cross here and head north now. You can see here what the streets are like. Now here's the frustrating thing. I actually took a video earlier on tonight, about 20 minutes ago, and my camera died on me. My phone died on me right as I was concluding the video. Now sometimes when that happens, the video saves. Unfortunately, in this case, it didn't. So I had to restart. I started on Atwater, went all the way to Guy, so I had to restart the video now on Guy going towards Guy Metro. So unfortunately, this is my second take on this video. Hopefully the camera will hold up. Replace the battery. I always bring 2 batteries with me. And I'm kind of glad, because this gives you a better perspective of the storm compared to the other video that I made. And that wind is very intense, by the way. Now the way it works, whenever you have these snowstorms, they clear the main streets first, followed by the side streets. And with the main streets, they also prioritize bus stops, hospital entrances. That's the priorities that they always give when it comes to the snow removal operations. And this is while the snow is still falling. Once the snow is stopped falling and everything's accumulated, then they do the snow removal on the main streets, followed by the side streets. And they always do one side of the street first. You'll see in the coming days the no parking signs will be going up. And yeah, that's pretty much how the snow removal operations work. Now, last major snowstorm we had was in March, when we had that fluke snowstorm. I think it was middle or end of March. It was 40 centimeters, right before the major spring thaw. And I think that snowstorm contributed a lot to that spring flooding we had here in Montreal and southern Quebec. So this goes to show you how fast time goes by. I mean, it seemed like yesterday I was filming in the West Island those historical floods, and here we are filming snowstorms again. So this gives you an idea how the weather changes and the cycle of the seasons continue. Now look at this, this intersection doesn't have electricity or at least the power lights don't, I don't think, because they're flashing. So I don't know if something happened or... So we're going to attempt to cross here, very curious, carefully. I'm very curious if I may actually be able to get across. There's no articulated buses going by. The 165 and the 435, so we're going to attempt to cross here. It looks like we're going to make it. Alrighty. So I'm going to cut the video in case the phone dies again. Going to go home, charge the battery, and bring you, my loyal viewers and subscribers, some more video. Let's see this articulated bus chugging up the hill. There you go. So there's a little taste of a typical Montreal first snowstorm. And now time to go into Guy Concordia, head home, charge my batteries and the phone batteries, and I'll be heading out, bringing you some more coverage of this beautiful snowstorm. Alright, have a good night all.